Did you know that the way that you think actually impacts how you learn? It's true. It all depends on your mindset. What is mindset, you ask? Mindset is the way that your brain sees yourself and the world around you. Some people have a fixed mindset. This means that they believe they cannot learn anything new, even if they try really, really hard. Someone with a fixed mindset might say things like, I can't do this, or I give up. Chances are you've had a moment like this before. Maybe you were stuck on a really hard math problem, or maybe you just couldn't score a goal in your soccer game. The good news is you can choose to have a growth mindset. A growth mindset is when you believe your brain can grow and learn new things. So even if something is challenging right now, you know that with effort and hard work, it will get easier over time. People with a growth mindset say things like, I can't do this yet, or let me try another way. They see a challenge as exercise for the brain, and making a mistake is just another opportunity to learn something new. So you see, your mindset matters. When you believe that you can learn, you learn better. How cool is that?